Next, we have some rings. I've already bought these before. Let me show you a few pieces now. I liked using them when I was making earrings with chains. The color is just yellow. It looks like gold, probably like light gold. I've never had this color before. They're matty, but nice to the touch. So notice that they don't shine. There's no gloss at all. Matte and the color? Well, the color is gorgeous, of course. These are beads. I got them to use as central beads in bracelets. Beads with zodiac signs. A matte surface. So we get this kind of oval shape, right? And on the matte surface, there's a shiny zodiac sign marking. These are the earring hooks I used in the previous lesson when I made earrings with a rhinestone chain. There should be 16 pairs of one color and 16 pairs of another color here. They're miniature and beautiful. I know that these earring hooks also come in larger sizes. You can mix and match there. You can take only silver or only gold. And another batch, pins. As I understand it, these are denser pins. Yes, this is a stiff pin. I can already feel that it's hard to bend with my hands. This is how we thread the bead, and it turns out very beautiful. Here we have some more glass beads that arrived. What did I get? I got red. Oh, what a bright red. So what color is this? Well, it's not black, it's silver. This kind of silver. I got blue. What is this blue called? Maybe it's something along the lines of denim, or is it actually closer to purple? I got this champagne color and pink. Well, of course, how could I go without pink? So look, here we have this rondelle shape. Perfect quality. You can use them in brooches, bracelets, earrings, and you can also alternate and space them in necklaces. Well, some people make jewelry only from these kinds of beads. Very beautiful. Red. These are rubber beads. These beads are just incredible, despite their simplicity. And by the way, take a look. I think I just noticed recently they even shine. I use them in bracelets, but I've already tried using them in necklaces too. You take a section of these beads like this, and then you add a natural stone here, and you alternate them like this, and it turns out really beautiful. At the moment, this is one of my favorite types of beads. Look at the way the colors shift here, greenish, even close to Tiffany and lilac. And the bead itself is gray. Depending on the size, you can use them in earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Basically, you can use them anywhere.